Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
It's 12:20 on your Tuesday, and we do have a busy, active weather day ahead of us. We've seen a few scattered showers slide into West Michigan so far this late morning, but now we're starting to see some of these thunderstorms materialize. The most apparent and direct into our region is actually this swath developing over Lake Michigan. A marine storm warning issued there. It carries until 1:30. We'll likely see it move into West Michigan within the next hour or so. A little bit of lightning coming along with it too, but of course we have a lot more to track that will continue developing off to our west. We're largely missing out on this severe thunderstorm watch. It does touch on our counties in far southern Michigan. That watch actually carries until 6 o'clock tonight, and we again will continue to see batches of storms continue to fire off to the west, some of which of course could be severe. There is a chance that the watch does get extended further northward, but I do think for most of West Michigan the window for severe weather will develop between about 5 and 8 o'clock tonight. So we'll continue monitoring the situation. Counties along and south of I-96 remain in that slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5 on our scale. And we're holding on to the greatest threats being hail and damaging wind gusts. Of course, we had some high winds overnight, resulting in power outages. Tornado threat still remains low, but it's not completely out of the question that we could see a brief tornado. So again, something we'll watch with each radar scan coming in throughout the afternoon. Your futurecast will show most of this ramping up again late afternoon and evening. This swath is what I'm most concerned about, again, between the hours of about 5 and 8 o'clock. Once we get done with that, though, we should clear out pretty quickly. So late evening, we should be in the clear overnight as well. We'll see those winds turn to the northeast, and we should stay largely dry throughout our Wednesday until we'll track another system inbound overnight Thursday and throughout the day. Looking ahead, you'll notice considerably cooler temperatures for our Wednesday, a high of 44. Some of that rain continuing in the morning hours south of I-94, but largely a dry day. Then Thursday is a tricky day. We actually start off near freezing, which opens up the door for a bit of a wintry mix, especially for areas north of Grand Rapids. But then we see a warm front lift, skyrocketing temperatures to those mid to upper 60s, and that quick warm up could fuel another round of severe weather, which is why the Storm Prediction Center has already placed us in a slight risk again. Still that level 2 out of 5. Primarily looks like a wind threat, but again, we can see that change a bit as we get closer. There's that warm front fueling all of that. Here's a glimpse at 8 in the morning. Again, you'll notice some of that freezing rain certainly possible in northern lower Michigan and the upper peninsula. Rain for us, a little bit of a dry hour into the afternoon, and then we could see some of those stronger storms. Again, temperature is still quite warm in those mid to upper 60s. A glance at Easter weekend for you if you're looking to plan. Easter itself will be considerably colder, but looking dry, a high of 43. 8-day forecast is busy. Again, today and Thursday we'll watch for severe weather. Saturday could have another round of showers and thunderstorms, but into next week looking a bit cooler, returning to those 40s and looking like a fairly dry stretch of weather for us too.